Hello and welcome back to The Broken Doll. And tonight I come to you with, I know I'm working on the Shirley Temple wig. It's still drying, so we're just going to let her have a good dry, and then I'll be starting to work on it. Somewhere around, I bought myself some stuff from off of Rachel Hoffman for wig making, and I'm looking for the stuff. I know it's here. I'll find it. Anyhow, my next project is going to be this doll that I was showing to you, Baby Dimples. No, Bubbles. Baby Bubbles. Now, here's my problem with Baby Bubbles. I found her arms. Here's her arms right here. Now, also, before I go any further, I made a playlist up with, when I got this doll was about maybe, I think it was 2020 or 21, I think it was. And so it's a couple years ago. It was 2 years ago that I bought this doll and started to restore her and then put her away. I got sidetracked into some other things in life, and that's what happens. But anyways, I lost her body along the way. So I need to make her another body somehow. Well, the thing is, I went into my cabinet in my house, and I know I had a second one of these that was in really rough condition. But she was just sitting inside the cabinet waiting to be done one day. So I found her, took her out, undressed her. And oh boy, does she need work. She is in a bad way. Now, just looking at her like this, she doesn't seem to be. But she's collapsing. Right, her arm is right inside of her chest plate. There's a piece right here waiting to come off, right here. So she's collapsed. She's inside the chest. She shouldn't be. Someone painted her hair very, very badly, and this all needs to be taken off. She's painted with I think it's acrylic, and she's cracking. A light cracks are up, and I'm not talking crazy. I'm talking crack in the paint itself. The paint is literally going to crack. It's starting to lift in here. So we got lifting all going on. She's going to get a complete restoration. But in the meantime, I have a body that I can take a pattern off. So I'm going to rip this body apart. And I probably will keep this body from here on in as my own to make a pattern off. And I'll make two bodies up. I know I'm one to say keep your doll as original as possible. But not in this case, I'm not. I'm going to make two bodies up. Keep this original here for any other doll. Because I do buy these. And I probably might want to sell one. I'm not sure yet what I'm going to do, but I just know I got to restore it at this time. I'm not going to make any decisions at this time. I might make them twins. I don't know yet. I make a boy and a girl. I've been thinking a lot of things. But anyhow, as that may be, she needs to be restored badly. She's just cracky. This is not good what's happening to her. And to leave her like this is not good either, because it's getting worse. So even as she sits, it's just putting more stress on the compo itself in the chest plate here. So we're going to take her apart coming up here, and this is the next project that we're going to be working on. This will go to the side until I'm able to get this one caught up with this one. Somewhere I have her body. I just don't know where. So anyhow, but I do have a playlist. Back in I meant to go with this. Back in 21, when I started her, you can watch it and get caught up as to where I am on this doll and how I started her and took her apart and everything. If you want to watch it or not, you don't have to, but it's good for you to see her beginnings and how she started. So, anyways, this will be my next one here that I'm going to start on, and I'm excited to get her going. So. Stay tuned. I'm going to be coming back with another video soon. I just want to take some pictures of her, get some pictures ready of her, and then we'll be moving on with videotaping her and making videos of taking her apart. So thanks for joining me. More videos to come. I hope you like the next project. I know I wanted to do my show and hut elephant. I can't find him, and I'm not going to dig for him right now either, because I got a lot of stuff that I have dug out, and I got to get this. I got a lot of dolls on the go. And I need to get caught up. I really have to get caught up on those. Those dolls are sitting all around me here saying, fix me, finish me, finish me. I can hear them. But anyhow, as that may be, let's get them done. Let's get it over with, and then we can move on to the next dolls. Because what happens along the way is I lose their parts, or I put them in bins and they go up in the attic and they're not going to surface for a long time. So stay tuned, more to come. Thanks for joining me. Bye-bye.